Pakistan is a country running on fumes. A delay in petrol imports has led to a fuel crisis that's lasted almost a week. Now officials say there's only 3 days of reserves left. Long waits at the petrol pump are driving up transport prices, including cab fares. We're losing time in these lines, he says. We have to charge the passengers to make up for our losses. And disrupting daily life.
Other than office, I have to pick my children from school and drop them over there. They are on leave today, and it's the life is crippled down here just because of this fuel shortage.
This station is rationing fuel, allowing roughly a day's worth per customer. The Prime Minister is holding emergency meetings today to work on an action plan. Over the weekend, he purged his government of ministers he holds responsible for the shortage.
As you can see behind me, this line of cars stretches on for at least a half mile. People have been waiting in line for more than 3 hours, and this situation has been ongoing for days. Government officials say the crisis likely won't be resolved for another 8 weeks when supplies are replenished. Michelle Stockman, CNN, Islamabad.